Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. Today I'll be showing you all unboxing and review of this month glamego box, this April month glamego box. So I think you all must be knowing about this glamego box because it's the most affordable #1 Indian subscription box, beauty box. So if we are taking a subscription plan of 6 months, we get this box for $299. So we'll be getting around 2000 rupees worth product. So this month product, we have 5 product, and 5 of these products are best for summers. So this month we are getting 2 makeup product and 3 skincare product, which is really good. So the very first product I'm gonna take is this one. This is a sea clay mask, summer treat sea clay mask, which retails for 150 rupees. So it comes in a tube packaging, and it is a nice blue shade. And as we apply any face mask, we need to take a good amount of this product and just apply it evenly to our face and neck. And what I notice is that once we apply, after like 5 minutes, we get to have a tingling sensation, which is a little irritating. But then after 15 or 20 minutes, we can just wash it off, then it's perfectly fine. But it has really strong tingling sensation, which is something I do not prefer much, but it is there. But I think it's perfectly normal. And once this face mask is dried, once it is there for good 15 to 20 minutes, just wash it off, and I could see that there's a nice glow. It doesn't make any drastic difference though, but then there is a good glow on our face, and we can see a good soft and supple skin, which is really good. So I like this product. Apart from that tingling sensation, I really like this product. So next product is this Vedic Line Gold Facial Kit. I have heard about this brand. I think it's a very good brand. This brand is there in Nykaa as well, so it retails for 350 rupees. So that's a good thing. It's an affordable product because we can do a gold facial at our home itself. So in parlors it would be around 1000, I guess, maybe, if not more than that. So it's a good cruelty, I think it's cruelty free vegan brand. So we get a few sachets in it, and each sachet has product in facial product in it, and it has clearly mentioned which one to use first. So it has mentioned everything, so it's very easy, very comfortable. So first one is this cleanser, so we need to take this out and cleanse our face. And second one is the scrub, we need to scrub our face. And then we have got this cream, and after that we have to use this massage gel, and then face pack, and last one is a serum. So I think I'll be doing a separate video on this, so I'll be giving you guys a detailed review. But as far as we can see, it's a very good product. So next product is this compact powder. It's NELF USA compact powder. I have heard about this brand, even though I haven't used any of the product, but still I have heard about this brand. And this compact powder retails for 350 rupees. And before sending the product, they actually mail us and ask us which shade we need. And they had 3 shades, 1, 2 and 3, and I opted for 2, which was not a very good thing. Actually, I should have ordered for 3, because this shade is very light for my skin tone. This is a very nice packaging. They have got mirror. This product has got mirror and very good sponge, and the product itself is very nice. It's buttery soft. And once we apply, now you guys can see it leaves a very white cast on my face. So that's because the shade I have opted is one shade lighter to my skin tone. So if you are ordering glamego box, and if you are of my skin tone, go ahead and choose shade number 3. And if you are darker than me, there is no option, because they have got only 3 shade. So I'm not that happy with the product, and it leaves a slight cakey look, I feel. Maybe because the shade didn't suit me, maybe because it leaves a white cast on my face. So I don't really like this product, maybe because of the shade. But anyways, I didn't like this product. So next product is Island Kiss Beauty, not Kiss Beauty. I will tell you guys the shade name right now. It's a really nice moisturizer, lip stain. It's Island Kiss Lip Stain. Yeah, this is the name, and it retails for 4.99, which is quite expensive for a lip balm. So we get 4.99 rupees worth lip balm with this box, which is amazing, and it is in this tube kind of packaging. And as they have mentioned, this is a lip stain as well. But then this the shade I have got has got a light pink shade, so it doesn't give any stain. It appears to be clear lip balm. Still, it's very nice product. It's very moisturizing to lips, and it's not sticky at all. It's very light, and it's very good. It moisturizes for good 3 to 4 hours, which is something I really like. So you guys can see, once I blend this product into my lips, it doesn't leave any stain at all. It's a clear lip balm, but still I really like this product. It's a good one. It's a very nice lip balm or lip moisturizer, so it's very good one. So next product is this Tijori anti-tan face pack, which is very much needed for the summers. So it is powder. It is in powder form, which contains wild turmeric and other organic product, which is very good for skin, which is best to remove sun tan. So again, I use this product, and I felt it is a very nice product to remove suntan, and it gives nice glow to our face. It doesn't make any drastic difference though, but then every skincare product is like that only. It's not gonna give any drastic difference in one use, but then I really like this product. So all in all, this month glamego box is good one. Apart from this compact powder, I liked all the products. Even compact powder I liked it, but because of its shade, I don't prefer using it anymore. So if you are of my skin tone, please choose number 3. So I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye. Take care. Love you all.